লণ্ডনৰ এছ'চিয়েটেড বোৰ্ড অৱ ৰয়েল স্কুল অৱ মিউজিক চমুকৈ ABRSMৰ পাশ্চাত্য শাস্ত্ৰীয় সংগীতৰ এটা পৰীক্ষা কেন্দ্ৰ কালি তেজপুৰত মুকলি কৰা হয়। তেজপুৰৰ এডুকো স্কুল অৱ আৰ্ট এণ্ড মিউজিকৰ চৌহদত বিদ্যালয়খনৰ নতুন বিদ্যালয়ত ভৱনৰ লগতে এই পৰীক্ষা কেন্দ্ৰ উন্মোচন কৰে এছ'চিয়েটেড বোৰ্ড অৱ ৰয়েল মিউজিক লণ্ডনৰ পৰীক্ষক এলিছন হাৱাৰ্ডে। এই উপলক্ষে আয়োজিত অনুষ্ঠানত এছ'চিয়েট বোৰ্ড অৱ ৰয়েল স্কুল অৱ মিউজিক লণ্ডনৰ পূব ভাৰত আৰু নেপালৰ আঞ্চলিক সমন্বয়ক তথা কলকাতাৰ প্ৰখ্যাত ব্ৰাগাঞ্জা এণ্ড কোম্পানীৰ গৰাকী টনি ব্ৰাগাঞ্জা আৰু এছ'চিয়েট বোৰ্ড অৱ ৰয়েল স্কুল অৱ মিউজিকৰ স্থানীয় প্ৰতিনিধি অসমৰ প্ৰখ্যাত পিয়ানো প্ৰশিক্ষক ঘনকান্ত ডেকাইও অংশ লৈ বক্তব্য প্ৰদান কৰে। উল্লেখ্য যে এইটো হৈছে পাশ্চাত্য শাস্ত্ৰীয় সংগীতৰ ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰৰ উত্তৰ পাৰৰ প্ৰথম তথা অসমৰ তৃতীয়টো পৰীক্ষা কেন্দ্ৰ। এই কেন্দ্ৰত তেজপুৰৰ প্ৰায় ৭০ গৰাকী পিয়ানোৰ পৰীক্ষাৰ্থী আজি আৰু কাইলৈ অনুষ্ঠিত হ'বলগীয়া পাশ্চাত্য শাস্ত্ৰীয় সংগীতৰ পৰীক্ষাত অৱতীৰ্ণ হ'ব। কালি পাশ্চাত্য শাস্ত্ৰীয় সংগীতৰ এই পৰীক্ষা কেন্দ্ৰ মুকলি অনুষ্ঠানেৰে সংগতি ৰাখি আয়োজন কৰা আৰু দেনিকা গোস্বামীৰ সত্ৰীয়া নৃত্যৰে শুভাৰম্ভ কৰা সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠানত পিয়ানো বাদন কৰে জাগৃতি হাজৰিকা, আশ্ৰিক শিৱম, বিক্ৰমাদিত্য সিং আৰু অধিৰাজ পলে। স্বস্তিকা পৰাশৰ, মীনাক্ষী হাজং, ভাৰ্গৱ দাস আৰু স্বস্তিক ভৰদ্বাজৰ ভায়লিন বাদন আৰু প্ৰজ্ঞান শইকীয়াই গীটাৰ পৰিৱেশন কৰা এই অনুষ্ঠানত গীত পৰিৱেশন কৰে বিশান দাসগুপ্ত আৰু য়ামিন ফাৰহাদে। গীটাৰত সহযোগ কৰে ক্ৰমে সৌমিক ৰয়, বৰ্ণিল কাশ্যপ, আশ্ৰিক শিৱম আৰু প্ৰজ্ঞান দাসে। উল্লেখযোগ্য যে এছ'চিয়েটেড বোৰ্ড অৱ ৰয়েল স্কুল অৱ মিউজিক লণ্ডনৰ ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰৰ উত্তৰ পাৰৰ প্ৰথম পৰীক্ষা কেন্দ্ৰ হিচাপে এই পৰীক্ষা কেন্দ্ৰটো তেজপুৰ তথা শোণিতপুৰৰ লগতে উত্তৰ পাৰৰ অন্যান্য জিলাসমূহৰ উপৰিও অৰুণাচলৰ শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকলৰ বাবেও বিশেষভাৱে সহায়ক হ'ব।
Oh, my experience. I started learning the piano when I was 6 years old and took to it straight away, tried other instruments, the guitar, the violin and the tenor horn and the flute and the organ, and settled on the piano for my career. And I've had a very long and fruitful teaching career where I've taught people from very young age through to adults. I've learned a lot through doing that and enjoyed it. And I became an examiner in 2002. This is my third visit to India, but my first to the northeast. I've been here for over a month now, and it's been absolutely wonderful. I've really enjoyed it.
What do you say Assamese music?
I think what I've heard is just extraordinary. A lot of the singers have to do a folk song for the part of their exam, and they have been absolute highlights. They're just so flexible in the voice and so expressive. It's been a great experience.
Are you interested to do something Assamese music?
I would like to. I don't think I'd be very good at it. I'm very classical orientated, so it's a very different thing.
How do you define about the Indian classical music?
I think it for me. I've lived in Manchester for a long time, and we've occasionally had Indian musicians, and I think it takes a lot of understanding the ragas, and I'm still working on that.
জানিব পৰা মতে এইবাৰ অৰুণাচলৰ এজন শিক্ষাৰ্থী এই পৰীক্ষাত এডুকো স্কুল অৱ আৰ্ট এণ্ড মিউজিক কেন্দ্ৰৰ পৰা অৱতীৰ্ণ হ'ব।
See, I am the coordinator for ABRSM in India, and my territory is the east and the northeast of India, as well as Nepal. Okay. I love music, okay? And my dream is that everybody in India gets an opportunity to learn music in the proper way, and be able to get qualification and certification so that in future, if they want to make a career out of music or even just enjoy music, they have the proper ingredients built into them in the correct way. Okay. What I have seen in India is everybody knows music very well, and we examine only Western classical music. If you go into the details of how music has developed in India, we have a very, very rich culture of Indian music, Indian classical music, and with each state we have various artists and all who do very good music, like Assamese music and all. So we are not here to say that Western music is the only music which you can do, because every music is very important. But what happens with Western music is all the music is documented. So you know what Bach did in 1600s. It's all documented, so we know exactly what he did. And with Indian music, it's not so. You know, like say Ravi Shankar, he has done something. Unless you actually studied in what we call a gharana, you will not know what he was actually learning. So through his disciples and all you can learn. But with Western music, you can easily learn all this. If you see the way Bollywood and all these film music has developed, they have a lot of dependence on Western classical music, and they use a lot of the melodies of Western classical music, which has become very, very popular in our Indian classical music. In fact, that first tune which that boy was playing on the piano, it's a very famous wedding song, and it's a very classical song. But everybody calls it some other name. I don't even know that name over here, and all the school children really love it. But it's actually a very hymn song which is played in church when the bride walks in, you know. So you can see by copying that melody, and he has copied it exact. He thinks he's playing something which is very Indian. But that being said, what happens with ABRSM is we are the best examining board internationally. You know, every country has their own exam systems, but internationally, ABRSM is the best examining board, and they are in the field of not just examining, but educating the public. So when I came into Assam first, I'm sorry I'm taking a lot of time. When I came into Assam first, I found that there was a lot Assam and Nagaland, and I said that if I can put structure into the music and get the candidates to actually get qualification, I would be a big help in their education and working up. Now, when a person does an exam over here in India or in Tejpur now, they actually get a certificate which allows them to get credits in UK and Europe.
Yes.
Okay, wherein when they are doing a art course, they suppose they have to do 40 hours of their subject. They call them credit hours. These ones compensate. So instead of doing 40 hours, they only have to do 37 hours. You know, 3 hours are given because they have done an ABRSM exam.
Bureau Report, Ognicore News.